everybody, welcome to the brand new season. This season is called Dog Adventures. And today, and the first video that we are doing, oh, by the way, I'm the mom. I have two kids, one son and one daughter. We are gonna be in a boat ride. All right, everybody, we are going on a boat ride, so everybody get ready. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Bless you, cameraman. I don't like this boat. The most dangerous animals in the sea are the most dangerous whales and sharks are the most dangerous animals in the ocean. So don't go that deep. Oh, and also those little fishies that have very spiky teeth and they can bite you really hard. I forgot what those are called. Do you kids like this so far? I have to pay $50 for this. Mom, you work a lot, so you have $60. I only have $10 left. What? I have more than that. How much do I have, cameraman? I have $113. Everybody stay in character. We're being filmed. Ow, Boston. Sorry, Amy. And the most cutest animal in the ocean is
Dolphin.
A dolphin. And here's a joke for you guys. Why is the shark so good at hammering nails into the wall? Why? Because it's a hammer shark. Get it? People these days. What? I'm a person, so that counts as people? Why is it so wet in here? I don't know. The reason why it's wet in here is because somebody put water in this even when they're not supposed to. Because this blue stuff right here is the ocean. You aren't. Is that the bug that's been biting me and giving me spider bites? I just saw a bug. Oh, that was horrifying. Okay, back into the ocean. Because the reason why it's wet is because the cameraman filled it up with water when it's not supposed to. Are you kidding me? Yeah, you're kidding me. Who wants to go into the deeply sea and I can turn this thing into a jet ski? Me! Where did that voice come from? Was it from the north? Was it from the west? Was it from the east? Or was it from the south? It was from the south. No, east. That thing. All right, I'm turning this thing into a jet ski. 3, 2, 1. It looks exactly the same, but now it can be a jet ski. I can now scrape it onto the floor. That'll be very disgraceful. Ugh. That's awesome. Ugh, I'm just gonna lay down. It's not gonna be comfortable. Me too. Ugh. Whoa. Oh, the sound is just very not hearable. I mean, that tunnel went away. Actually very disgraceful. You guys are actually correct. It is very disgraceful. And we would like to give a shout out to, drum roll please, to the 24th subscriber. Soon we'll have a 24th subscriber party coming up soon. Comment down below if you have any suggestions. And make sure you guys check out that hide and seek part 2. Somebody didn't upload the part 1 first. Wow, this person is making very many mistakes. Wow. We should hire someone else to be the cameraman. Probably it'll be called a camera girl. A camera lady. This is very disgraceful. First of all, it's very disgraceful. Second of all, I do not like the sound of the scraping. Barely even there. You know, I'll just press the relax button and then it'll go on and on. All right, it'll go on and on its own. I do not like this sound. Finally, just finally, we're at the not disgraceful part. Can we go back to the sea? Fine, we'll go. Everybody okay? Are you okay, cameraman? Alright, everybody, we're back onto the seat. Alright, everybody get back in their seats. Finally, the disgraceful sound is gone. Are you looking at that food? Nah. Hopefully the ocean doesn't have hammer sharks. Hammer sharks can probably break our boat. What? Yeah, it can. And there's no hammer sharks around, so don't worry. If you guys didn't know, it looks like I'm a hamster, right? Or a chipmunk, right? Right? Yeah, it looks like that. But I'm actually a hammer shark in disguise, so I can break the thing. Ooh. We're gonna make it 11. I know it'll work, okay? Okay? I've even done it 12 before. Okay, 11. Right. Is everybody good in this boat? Any other facts you'd like to tell us, cameraman? What are some other facts about the sea? What are some facts about seahorses? What are some facts about clownfish? What are facts about Dory? Or Nemo? Is it Nemo or is it Nemo?
Nemo.
Nemo. I thought it was Nemo. No, it isn't. Okay, next thing. Since you guys been all so good, we are gonna choose a captain! Like we did in Florida. The Miranda's sister got to be captain, one of the captains. So we're gonna choose a captain here. Please. Alright, we'll do this quickly. Memorizing. We're memorizing right now. Let's make sure there's a memorize in my head. You. Next time that you're on this boat ride, you are gonna be our captain. Thank you. Which means I get to do this stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully all our dolls and toys enjoy it. So thank you for watching. Bye, guys.